There is a dog named Yogi. He is also called the dog with human face. The photographer waited every year until Sunrise reflected on the railway track. Graduates of the DARE drug abuse resistance education program were more likely to use drugs than students who received no drug education according to Live Science. Following his time in office, former US President George W. Bush became a painter. Bush, the 43rd president, who served by painting portraits of 98 Americans who served in the years following 9/11, and he has now painted the portraits of 43 immigrants. 56% Americans believe Arabic numerals should not be taught in schools, according to a survey conducted by poll company Civic Science. A bi genius named Brandon Bremer could read at 18 months, graduated high school at 10, and composed music he shot himself at 14 to donate his organs for those in need. Artist Roberto Rizzo collects weird shaped stones that he finds in the wild and turns them into animals. In 1960, Richard T. James, the inventor of the spring toy Slinky, left his wife and 6 children and moved to Bolivia to join the Wycliffe Bible translators. His wife Betty James took charge of the failing company and turned it around. In 2001, she was inducted into the Toy Industry Hall of Fame. Your brain uses about 20% of all oxygen and blood in your body. Genghis Khan killed so many people that the earth began to cool. 40 million people were wiped off the planet. Vast areas of farmland were reclaimed by the forests, and carbon levels dropped by 700 million tons. Did you know? Notfound.org is an app that lets you turn 404 pages on your website into advertisements for missing children. Everything is beautiful depending on the situation. A school bell sounds irritating at 9 a.m., but the same bell sounds melodious at 4 p.m. Snakes can't close their eyes, so they must sleep with their eyes open. The X-ray of 980-pound man. One Japanese soldier stayed hidden in the forest for 29 years after World War II ended. He didn't know the war had ended that whole time. Why aeroplanes are white? Not every but most of the commercial aeroplanes are white. First, and the most obvious reason is its ability to reflect sunlight compared to dark color, which observes the sunlight, which can increase the temperature inside the aeroplane. White minimizes the heat and solar radiation. The next reason can be money. It's cheaper to paint the white rather than painting any other color. Every plane starts with white, which means an additional layer of paint will add more weight not only on an aeroplane but on money too. More weight means more fuel burn, adding more cost. Appian Way is a road in Rome built in 312 BC and is still in use today. He painted a girl inspired by his imagination, and when he met her, he married her. There is a monument in Georgia which gives instructions in 8 languages on how to rebuild society after an unknown apocalyptic event, whilst also functioning as a compass, calendar, and clock. There is a monument to honor the almost 1 million Allied horses who died during the First World War. Of 1 million drafted horses, only 62,000 returned in 1918. The world's oldest surviving piano is the Metropolitan Museum of Art in New York City. The instrument dates back to 1720 and was made by an Italian man named Bartolomeo Cristofori. The scientist who developed the vaccine to fight leprosy was still working to find a vaccine for cancer on his 100th birthday. Described as a popular hero, he never charged a patient for the care he gave. He published his last study at age 100 in 2013. The Romans substituted criminals into plays for punishment, so if a character died in the story of the play, a real criminal would die on stage. The Japanese city of Hanyu holds an annual office chair race in which participants must raise their office chair around a 200 track for 2 hours to win a 90 kilograms bag of local rice. One reason seaplane food isn't very tasty is because when you are flying, your sense of smell and taste decrease by as much as 50%. The senses are affected by changes in air pressure and lack of humidity inside the cabin. In England, after two thieves broke into a man's home and made off with his laptop, they inspected the device, found serious child abuse material, and went to the cops regardless. The pedophile got 3 years in jail. The judge gave robber a 12-month community service orders in light of their good deed. A supermarket chain in the Netherlands has a policy that if all queues have 4 people in them and not all checkout lanes are open yet, then you get your groceries for free. Telangana government to use drones for delivery of vaccine. World's longest pedestrian suspension bridge opens in Portugal. Jack Black's mother, Judith Love Cohen, was a co-creator of the abort guidance system that saved the Apollo 13 astronauts. When Judith went into labor, she brought a printout of a problem she was working on to the hospital and solved it just before Jack was born. In 1978, rock band Aerosmith paid approximately $4,200 to bail out every single fan that was arrested when cops invaded the crowd on a pot bus during one of their concerts. In Australia, when it gets very hot, the nectar in some flowers ferments and turns into alcohol. Bees that get drunk from the nectar are not allowed back. In their hive, guard bees keep them out to prevent them from making the nectar into alcoholic honey. The average human body temperature has actually dropped from 98.6 degree Fahrenheit to 97.5 degree Fahrenheit over the last 150 years. There is a theory that the average person walks past a murderer 36 times throughout their life. The size of a fiber optic wire capable of supplying a home with high-speed internet. Brazilian grape tree, also known as jabuticaba, does not use branches to grow fruits, it grows fruits directly on the trunk. Dr. Oluinka Olitoye and Dr. Daryl Cass, both pediatric surgeons, removed a baby from a womb to cut out a tumor, placed the baby back, and several weeks later the baby was born healthy.